Hello, pilots of the internet. Welcome back to Foldable Flight. As you know, my name is Kyle, and this is where I teach you how to fold paper airplanes that will blow your mind. And I have to apologize for the fact that I've been pretty absent from YouTube, but with good reason, because I've been working on a book and it is essentially finished. So I am happy to announce to you guys that I'm going to be running a Kickstarter campaign for this book in August. So I wanted to show you guys what all this hard work has created, and you can see here just a small selection of the planes that will be in the book. This is F-80 Centurion, which is one of my very favorites. You can see that it's got this awesome jet-like design to it. And then also Spectre and Sentry, which you can see are similar looking planes, both with that forked nose, are two others of my favorites from the book. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some other ones as well. There are going to be 15 unique paper airplanes in this book, ranging from easy to advanced in order to fold them. And these are my 15 best paper airplanes. I wanted to really deliver a high quality product to you guys, and I have been working for a long time, very hard to pull this off. And I'm so excited at the fact that it's finally going to be done. So here's an example of an easier plane that's in the book. It's Bandit, which is an excellent flyer. And I think even though the shape of the plane itself isn't as exciting as these other planes, I'm really excited that the templates make these planes look amazing, and there will be templates included with the book so that you can fold a plane that looks like this rather than just a plain white plane. So let me show you guys a few more of these planes. This one is another pretty easy plane, but I thought it looked pretty cool. This is Nakamura Jet. And here we have the Boomerang plane from the book. This is called Zoomerang, and it boomerangs very, very well. You can get this to circle back to you very consistently with some proper trimming. And let me show you guys, I get this question a lot. I get the question, what is your favorite paper airplane? And I think some of you guys are going to be a little bit underwhelmed. I don't know, but to me, this embodies grace in a way that no other paper airplane does. This is called Zephyr. And you can see, not only does it not have a central crease, but its back edge is like this undulating wave. And I've never seen any other paper airplane like this one. And I think it just distinguishes itself in that way. It's subtle. It's not as aggressive and cool as these planes maybe, and you guys might like these better. But something about this plane just really speaks to me, and its natural beauty, and it flies so gracefully. It really is just gorgeous in flight. So I'm hopeful that you guys will like this one as well. Now, I have just a few more planes I'm going to show you. Again, guys, I'm just trying to keep this a short, quick video to explain why I've been gone and what is coming on this channel and with Foldable Flight in general. This one, I'm making some slight adjustments to this template, so it won't look exactly like this in the finished book, but you can see this one is called Helion, and you'll notice it's not symmetrical right to left, but it is, when you flip it over, you'll see it's the same thing on both sides, and what that does, when you look at the back, you can see this is going to spiral as it flies, and it actually flies really well in a very cool spiraling pattern. And it all locks together through some clever folding. And then we have Swallow, which I just really like the angle. The swept back wings on this plane I think are really nice. And then the last one I'm going to show you, even though, again, there are 15 total planes, this one is called Bayonet. And if you're familiar with some of the planes on this channel, you might see that this looks really similar to Reaper and Silex drone, and that is because it is also made by the Silex Corporation, and it has this really cool front weapon, and that's where it gets its name, Bayonet. So thank you guys so much for being patient with the fact that I'm not posting regularly right now. I'm literally working basically with every spare moment I have to get this book done and try to deliver you guys the best paper airplane content in the world. And I know that's a high aspiration, it's a high claim, but I'm hopeful that you guys will come to agree with it when you guys get to see finally what I have been working on. So again, keep your eyes peeled because there will be a Kickstarter to fund that project in August. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.